Christmas morning, Reagan's first Christmas. Good morning. Look, Santa Claus left you all this.
All these presents.
Yes. This is a purple
Princess.
Ariel.
You like your presents?
Pretty.
Yo, Gabba Gabba.
Apple. Toto.
Oh, wow. Look, there's more princess stuff in the bag. Look.
This is my
Princess shirts.
No, I want
You want to put it on?
no princess. I must be my no.
You want to see? Look at the Barney that we got you. Sing it. Play it, Daddy. It's different. Listen. You love him? Look, Santa Claus ate the cookies.
He sure did, didn't he? He was hungry. Here, you want to open these?
You want to open some presents? Broby, I like to color. We'll color in a minute. Can you look at Mommy and say cheese? Too busy. Look at the baby. The baby talks. You want to open some presents?
You want to open some?
Here, you can open that. Yeah, that's for your back.
How do you know that?
She saw them. Bath and Body Works. Muno, huh?
Baby. Come here, let's open these.
Let's open your presents. There's more.
Emily, look. What's in here? You want to open here? Tear that open. Yes. ABC.
It's the ABC Elmo. Oh, wow. Wow, Emily.
Yeah.
It's a Sesame Street bus. Look, this one is for you too.
Go grab another one. Santa Claus knows how to wrap these, doesn't he? Here, look. What's this? What are these?
Oh, wow, look. Muno.
Hey, Gabba Gabba? Yo, Gabba Gabba. Open.
Here, let's open this present.
Open that one. I'll open this.
Oh, this is a big.
That's a big one, huh?
Here, let's open.
It's a hattie.
Let's open. Right here.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
At the top.
Santa Claus.
Pull it.
Wow, look. It's a medical kit.
Show a medical kit. You can be a doctor.
Is that cool?
You want to open?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I can see apples too.
Huh?
Mommy.
Open Roby. You want to use this morning?
No. Oh, this is
The camera.
Easy.
Do you say Merry Christmas?
Money tissues.
Merry Christmas. Okay. You want to open up Reagan's presents for Reagan? Oh, here's hers. Can you open it over there for Reagan? Show her. Let me help you. Here. Can you say bye-bye to the camera? Hey, Daddy's a doctor.
Good.
Reagan's first Christmas. Sitting in a bouncer. Do you like what you got from Santa Claus?
That's for your blood pressure.
Can you blow the camera a kiss? I love you, Santa.
I love you, Santa.
You like Santa now, huh?